In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your headset and microphone are not working on the Xbox Series S or X. So from the Xbox home screen, press the X button on your controller and scroll down, and we're going to select Audio and Music. Now, if the section above is grayed out, make sure your headset's plugged in properly to your controller or to your Xbox. Now in this section, make sure headset mic's turned on, and if you have a mute toggle on your headset, make sure that's turned off. Now for the headset volume, turn this up. If you have a volume dial on your headset, make sure that's turned up as well. And for the headset chat mixer, you could leave it in the middle if you want a good mix between audio and voice chat, but if you want to prioritize one or the other, you can right here. Now for mic monitoring, you can leave that all the way down, and now we're going to go back. Now from the home screen, we're now going to go to Settings. From General, scroll over and scroll down, and select Volume and Audio Output. Now where you see speaker audio just above this little box where we are, it should say Headset Format. And under the Headset Audio, select Windows Sonic for headphones or Stereo Uncompressed. Unless you have a fancier headset, you could go with one of these options. So now that you've done that, we're going to scroll over and go to Advanced Settings. And from here, where you see Volume and Chat Mixer, if you want to prioritize your party chat, you can select one of these options right here. But if you want to have a good mix between your game and party chat audio, you can select Do Nothing. Now for the party chat output, if you're using your headset, just select Headset. Or if you want the party chat to come through your speakers as well on your TV, you can select Headset and Speakers. So once you've done that, come back to General Settings, and now we're going to go to Online Safety and Family. So from here, select Privacy and Online Safety, Xbox Privacy, and then you want to set it to Custom, and we're going to go to View Details and Customize. Now scroll down in this section and select Communication and Multiplayer. And where it says Others can communicate via voice, text, or invites, you want to ensure that this is on Friends or Everyone. And same thing goes with You can communicate outside of Xbox with voice chat and text. Make sure this is on In-Game Friends or Everyone. Then what you want to do is go back to Settings. And once you're in Settings, scroll over and scroll down to Devices and Connections and select Controllers and Headsets. Now here you should be able to see your Xbox controller, so scroll down and select the three dots for more options. Now in this section, if you're using a regular Xbox controller, you'll be able to update it, and you just want to ensure your controller's up to date, as that can affect your headset as well. Now if you're still experiencing issues at this point, I recommend swapping out your controller or headset to see if it's a hardware issue. And in the specific game you're playing, make sure the voice chat and audio settings are correct, because that could be causing the problem as well. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.